This is the controversial art installation on the side of a picturesque Austrian cliff, which tourists say is ruining their shot for pictures. The artwork, called Cliffhanger, is located at the Myra Waterfalls in Lower Austria. However, it is due to be removed in September after causing outrage over the cost and allegations that it's spoiling the view. The exhibit consists of a large red fake doorway with tourist information written on it. It was made by a local Austrian art collective called Steinbrenner Dempf and Huber. The head of the nature park, Florian Schublack, told Newsflash that he thought it was a great idea. But a local hotel owner, who preferred to remain anonymous, said that tourists are complaining because they can no longer take good pictures. He said that the €70,000 spent on setting it up would have been better used on an environmental project to protect the beautiful location. He said with the coronavirus crisis, the area has reportedly experienced an increase in people coming to walk to the waterfall who have been littering and causing damage. The park manager said that the art installation was actually supposed to be to put people off from coming. He said, "It was not set up to make a lot of people want to go there, more like the other way around." Newsflash spoke to one of the artists, Christopher Steinbrenner, 61, who said the installation was actually meant as a critique of mass tourism. It is a tongue-in-cheek joke at the expense of tourists, and it was there to ruin the shot for selfie-seeking people. He added that he was delighted to learn that many tourists visiting the area were trying to keep their artwork out of shot when taking selfies. He said people visiting the site could be split into two categories. Those who would say, "What the F is this? It's a catastrophe," and those who would just understand what they meant. He said both reactions were exactly what they had been going for. The art collective also currently have an exhibition called "We Are Everywhere, the Cliffhanger," which has an emphasis on how pervasive people's interest is in taking selfies in the modern era.